What if you could fire off one request and have it flow through every app you actually use, from Gmail to Slack or Twitter to LinkedIn, and the request is handled seamlessly from start to finish? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Pokey, all-in-one AI tool that takes plain text, like make a report or post this online, and instantly turns that request into real finished work. Pokey can research, write, design, post, analyze, and even manage files across tons of apps all on its own. All you have to do is type in what you want to get done. So today we're going to see if Pokey can actually handle a full day's worth of digital work just from a few sentences. All right, getting started. Just head on over to pokeeai. Go ahead and sign up and sign in at the very top. And that's going to land you right inside the chat style interface. And from here, you can literally type anything you want. Research tasks, content creation, emails you want to fire off, social media posts. Pokey figures out what to do and executes it. But first, let's come on over to this key icon on the left-hand side. Let's click this. This is going to show all the different integrations that Pokey is compatible with. It even shows which ones we currently have authorized. All right, let's come back over to the main interface. Now we're going to start with a simple one to kick things off. So I want to do a deep dive into AI workflow agent tools. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my request right here in the chat box. I want Pokey to do a deep research analysis on the top 3 AI workflow agent tools, and I want Pokey to present the findings in a clear, well-organized report in Google Docs. Let's go ahead and punch this in. Right away, Pokey's going to get to work and start building the workflow. So on the left-hand side, Pokey's going to go ahead and lay out the plan of action. So it's understanding my query, gathering information, and generating workflows for our query. Pokey's going to run searches, gather key insights, and structure everything into a polished Google Doc report. Now, Pokey does have access to my Google account, so it's going to go ahead and create the document on my behalf. If we uncollapse this right here, I can see the first few tasks that Pokey is jumping into. One after the other, it's going to take care of everything. I can click on any of the individual results when that specific task has been completed. For example, let's click on this one right here. This task right here is identifying all the different AI workflow agent tools and comparing a comparative analysis section of the report as well. So we have LangChain, AutoGen, Relevance AI, Make, and then for each one, it lists out the key features, the limitations, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and close this. And again, that is just one specific task out of this entire workflow. So I'm actually going to collapse this by clicking right here. All right, now my entire workflow has been completed. So I'm going to come on over to the very bottom to find that Google Doc that I wanted to generate. So let's click the results right here. And then here we go. We've got a deep research analysis of the top 3 AI workflow agent tools. I'm just going to click the link right here. Here is that entire document that can be found in my Google Docs. Let's just open up the outline on the left-hand side. We have a full-on report of these top 3 AI workflow agent tools. Here's our introduction, and the first tool is Zapier, which includes an overview, key features, use cases. We can see all the different source references as well scattered throughout the document. We've got strengths, weaknesses, and then reviews and user feedback. And then the same thing continues with the second tool, which is N8N. And if we come down here, the third tool, which is Microsoft Power Automate. So this is a full-on document and it is 13 pages long. We've got the bibliography as well. So we really have everything you'd ever need for this specific report. And I could use this for a blog, a newsletter, or a social media post. And I didn't even have to open a single tab for this to get done. And by the way, Pokey enables every workflow to be reproducible, which means that you can change any inputs to apply to the existing workflow to generate consistent results. For example, I just created a workflow with this request. Generate an image of a city skyline at sunset and post it to Twitter with a caption. Then I specified to Pokey that I wanted to choose an inspiring one-liner for the caption that fits the photo. Now Pokey's going to do its thing, and if I come over to my Twitter account, I can see there's a new post that I made. Chase the horizon, find your masterpiece, with our city skyline in question. Now let's come back to Pokey and only change the initial input of the exact workflow that we were just in. I'm going to go with a calm sea reflecting the evening sky. So we're going to change this input and let's hit run. Back over to Twitter, and this time it's an image of a calm sea, just like we directed the input to change. Where the sky kisses the sea, tranquility is born. And we can see that our posts are back to back. In essence, reproducible workflow means you're not just getting a one-off automation, you're getting something you can call again, replicate, and adapt with ease. All right, for the next demo, we're going to try something a little different. Let's say I want to make a short presentation about these AI tools and I want to send it to my team. So in the exact same chat, I'm going to come over to the very bottom and drop in my prompt, create a 3-slide presentation about these findings, top 5 AI tools, and email this to my team with a quick summary. Let's go ahead and punch this in. Okay, we can see our updated workflow on the right-hand side. Uncollapse this task right here. We can see all the different generated images that are going to be part of our slide deck. And then we can see how the slide deck is coming along as well. So let's click this right here. Here is our presentation coming along. I'm just going to go ahead and close this. And then Pokey is just on the last few steps. All right, let's have a look at our 3-slide deck presentation by clicking right here. Here is the brief overview that we asked for. And then we have all the actual platforms. Let's go to the next one. And we have conclusion and summary as well. That gives a concise summary, GPT-5, Midjourney V6, Runway Gen 3, and then a clean image to go along with this presentation as well. Then for the last step, I just have to approve the email that's going to be sent out to the recipients I want the email sent to. So we just have to click to approve. We have our subject line and then the body as well. So we've got top 5 AI tools presentation, just a quick hello to the team. Here is a quick summary of the top 5 AI tools based on recent findings. Then we have all the different tools. And then at the very bottom, it says we can view the full presentation right here. And then here is the link to the presentation that we just made all inside of Pokey. And here is that exact presentation that we just made. I'm just quickly jumping back over to the main chat where I'm going to specify the exact team member that I want to email. So I'm just entering that exact email address right now as the recipient. Then I'm going to grant access to Pokey to send emails on my behalf. So just setting up the authorization there. And then here's a look at that exact email in my send folder on the topic of the top 5 AI tools. All right, for this next one, we are in a brand new chat. So we're going to create something visual this time. I'm going to drop this request in the chat. Find a trending tech product on Amazon. And I want Pokey to create an engaging tweet with an image and caption for this trending product. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, now Pokey is going to go ahead and generate that workflow, which is going to include researching the product, grabbing a few details, and generating a clean product image. And then it's going to go ahead and write up a tweet draft that's going to be ready to share instantly. All right, and it looks like we have our tweet that is ready for approval. Let's click right here to approve it. Here is our tweet in question that's going to be posted on our Twitter account. And this tweet just talks about Ring's new search party feature that uses AI and your neighborhood's camera to help find lost pets. And then a few additional features as well with a couple of hashtags. And we can even see the image in question by clicking right here. Here is the Ring doorbell product. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's go ahead and approve this. And if I come on over here, I can see the post in real time that has been posted about this new tech product. Keep in mind, Pokey can run multiple automations at once, whether it's writing documents, scheduling meetings, replying to emails, or analyzing reports. Pokey connects with Google Workspace, Slack, Notion, LinkedIn, YouTube, GitHub, and much more. Now it is time for some pricing and final thoughts. Pokey has a free plan that lets you dive into real workflows right away. And when you're ready to scale up, the basic paid plan starts at $19.99 per month for bigger and faster automations. So be sure to head on over to Pokee.ai or click the link in the description or pinned comment below to access Pokey today. And with that, good luck and have fun with your automations.